Hello friends, I am Guna Mathivanan, Current Affairs faculty at Officers IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 141st Current Affairs hit list topic, that is regarding Gini coefficient. When Gini coefficient was discussed in economic survey, so I thought of explaining about Gini coefficient as well. Many students, they don't have a strong clarity on Gini coefficient. They either memorize the actual content and they get confused. It is actually very simple, right? So we will try to understand Gini coefficient, but to understand Gini coefficient we have to understand one more concept called as Lorenz curve. So let me explain Lorenz curve first, then we will go for Gini coefficient. Listen to my explanation part in detail. Whatever may be the notes which I am giving for this topic, or whatever notes which you come across in the internet or any textbook, it might be difficult for you to comprehend. So listen to my example, it will be very easy for you to appreciate the concept. So Lorenz curve, it gives the relationship between percentage of people and people and their percentage of income generated. Let me make it clear. Let us assume a country has 100 people. Let us assume a country has 100 people and each of them is earning 1000 rupees. Each of them is earning 1000 rupees. So it is going to be 1 lakh rupees. So the total number of, the total population of the country is 100. So 100 is the population. Okay. The total income is 1 lakh rupees. The total income generated is 1 lakh rupees. And I am saying that everyone, each one of them is earning 1000 rupees. Keep this in mind. Okay. So now we will go for a graph. So in x axis I am taking population, in y axis I am taking income. Okay. So here let us say here we have 100 people, right? So 10, 20, 50, 70, I am saying 100. Similarly, income is 1 lakh rupees, right? So 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 70,000, 1 lakh. Now everyone is earning 1000 rupees. That means 10 people will earn 10,000. 20 people will earn 20,000, 100 people will earn 100,000, that is 1 lakh rupees. So when I plot, now I am saying 10 people is going to earn 10,000. So I am going to plot here. 20 is going to earn 20,000. Now 50 people is going to earn 50,000. 70 people is going to earn 70,000. 100,000. So when I plot, it is going to be a line. When I plot the graph, it is going to be a line. This line is called as line of equality. This is called as line of equality. Keep it in mind. Okay. Line of equality means, so when I plot, so in any country, you take any country. So now we are coming up with a graph. One side we are taking population and the corresponding income and cumulative income generated. So when I plot, if I get a line like this, cross a diagonal line like this, then we say that country is having perfect income inequality. Everybody is earning equal income. There is no inequality at all, right? When we achieve line of equality, then we say like that. But in reality, it is not like that. You take India. You will not get line of equality. When you plot it, you will have something like this. When you plot it, it is going to be like this. That means majority, see, even majority 70 or 80, okay, let me redraw the graph. Right. So if you take Indian scenario, let us say some 20%, 70% of people, 70% of people, they are earning only 20,000. okay, or 70 people, they are earning only 20,000. The remaining 30, they are earning the remaining 80,000 rupees. If you take country like India, according to Oxfam report, the report says 10% of Indians, 10% of richest Indians, they control 74% of country's wealth. 74% of country's income wealth is with just the top 10% richest Indians, right? This is Indian statistics according to Oxfam report. So in reality, you go to any country, in reality, you will not find line of equality. You will find inequality only. You will find a curve like this. So what does this curve say? 10% people, 20%, almost 70% people, they are able to earn only 20,000 rupees. So let us, let us explain this in form of percentage. Population I am giving in percentage. Income also, let me make it as percentage instead of thousands. Let me say it as percentage. 10% income, 20% income, 50% income, 70% income, 100% income. So what here it is income, cumulative income. So what we are able to understand from this graph is 70% population in India, 70% population in India, they are able to earn only 20% of country's income. The remaining 30% in this graph, they are earning the remaining amount of income. So in reality, you will not find line of equality in any country. You will find only this kind of curve. You will find only this kind of curve, and this curve is called as Lorenz curve. This curve is called as Lorenz curve. That Lorenz curve gives a relationship between the income earned by the percentage of people in that country. This is called as Lorenz curve, right. So now let us try to understand what is Gini coefficient. Let us try to understand what is Gini coefficient. Okay. So now let me draw once again. So here we are taking cumulative income. Here we are taking population percentage. Everything we are taking in terms of percentage, right. I said this is called as line of equality. This is called as line of equality. Population increases, here income increases. Okay. In reality, I said we will have only curve. We will have only curve. So here I have mentioned we will have only curve. So I am drawing the curve again. Let the curve be like this. Let the curve be like this. Okay. Let's give some name to all these points. So I am saying this as A, this as B, this as C. I am taking a point here. I am just saying it as D. Okay. So now this blue curve is called as Lorenz curve. Now what is Gini coefficient? Now what is Gini coefficient? So Gini coefficient, that is the ratio between the area, that is the ratio between the area, listen carefully, area between Lorenz curve and line of equality divided by area below line of equality. That is, Gini coefficient says the area between Lorenz curve and line of equality. So what is Lorenz curve here? So this is Lorenz curve, this blue curve is Lorenz curve. What is line of equality? This red part is line of equality. What is the area between Lorenz curve and line of equality? So the area is going to be this shaded region or this dotted region. Let me make it as dots. Okay, this dotted regions. Okay, this is the area between Lorenz curve and line of equality, right. So I am writing like this, area between Lorenz curve and line of equality can be called as A, B and D. So I am writing it as ABD. divided by area below the line of equality. So, which is the area below the line of equality? So, below this red part, the entire triangle. So, the entire triangle is called as the area below line of equality, that is A, B as well as C. So, it is going to be A, B, C, right. So, let us assume the area of the entire triangle. Let us assume the area of the entire triangle is 2. Just imagine it is 2. So, ABC, the entire area is 2. Now, ABD, this point, this ABD, this dotted point, dotted area, it appears to be half of the triangle. In this example, it appears to be half of the triangle. So, if the triangle area is 2, then the area of ABD should be 1. So, we are getting 0.5. So, here we are getting Gini coefficient as 0.5. We are getting Gini coefficient 0.5. Now, when will I get 1? When will this 0.5 become 1? Now, I am saying Gini coefficient. Gini coefficient in the first case, Gini coefficient in the first case we got it as 0.5, but I want Gini coefficient to be 1. In which situation we will have Gini coefficient as 1? Just think, in which situation? When the numerator, when this becomes 2, then we will get, when numerator and denominator, when both are same, then we will get Gini coefficient as 1. So, the numerator and denominator should be equal. When it will be equal? So, imagine a situation, when it will be equal, imagine a situation. Now, assume the Lorenz curve is not like this. Assume the Lorenz curve is something like this. Assume the Lorenz curve, now it is something like this. Lorenz curve is something like this. Assume this is the new Lorenz curve. So, what does this blue is signifying? This means that almost 99% of population, they are earning 0, and just 1%, the last 1%, they are earning the entire amount. So, 99 people they are earning 0, only one person is earning 1 lakh rupees. This is the highest form of inequality. So, now we will go by the Gini coefficient concept. So, what is Gini coefficient? Area between the Lorenz curve and line of equality divided by area below line of equality. So, now this blue color, now this is the new Lorenz curve. This is the new Lorenz curve. The area between Lorenz curve and line of equality, that is, now what happens? Everything is going dotted lines. The entire triangle is going dotted lines, because area above Lorenz curve, the area above Lorenz curve includes the entire triangle. The entire triangle area is 2. So, it is 2 divided by area below line of equality. So, area below line of equality is again the entire triangle, So, now again I am going to get 2. So, now I will get 1. So, in this case, in the second case, Gini coefficient is equal to 1. Second case, Gini coefficient 1. So, what we are able to understand, when Gini coefficient is 1, we are witnessing highest inequality. We are witnessing highest inequality when Gini coefficient is 1. Okay. Now, I want Gini coefficient as 0. I want Gini coefficient as 0. So, when I will get 0? When I will get 0? When the numerator is 0 and when numerator is 0, automatically we will get answer as 0, right. So, how to make numerator 0? So, I am redrawing the Lorenz curve. Now, this is not Lorenz curve, I am redrawing the Lorenz curve. Okay. Let me erase this. Okay. So, now I am going to redraw the Lorenz curve. So, earlier the Lorenz curve was like this, right. Now the Lorenz curve is going to become like this, it is shrinking. Now the Lorenz curve, it is overlapping with line of equality. In the last case I am saying the Lorenz curve is going to overlap with line of equality. Listen carefully. In the first example the Lorenz curve was like this was the first case. In the second case the Lorenz curve, it matched in this way. In second case almost Lorenz curve was matching with the xy axis. This is second case. In second case only we got Gini coefficient is 1, and when Gini coefficient is 1, that means maximum inequality, because 99 people are earning 0, only 1 is earning 1 lakh rupees. Now I want Gini coefficient as 0. When I will get Gini coefficient 0? Consider a situation where the line of equality, the Lorenz curve, this Lorenz curve, imagine a situation that is overlapping with line of equality. That Lorenz curve itself is overlapping with line of equality. That means now Lorenz curve is like this. Now Lorenz curve have become a line. So when Lorenz curve will become a line, it will become a line when there is perfect equality. Everyone is earning 1000 rupees. Here 99 is earning 0, 1 is earning 1 lakh rupees. So inequality. When everyone, 100 people are there, everyone is earning 1000 rupees, it is going to be 1 lakh. In that situation everyone is earning equal amount. When everyone is earning equal amount, there will be equality. When there is equality, then the Lorenz curve will be overlapping with line of equality. Now come to Gini coefficient formula. What is Gini coefficient formula? Area between Lorenz curve and the line of equality. When line of equality and Lorenz curve is overlapping, the area is going to be 0, and the area below line of equality there is no change. Area below line of equality there is no change, it is going to be 2. So now I get Gini coefficient 0. So when Gini coefficient is 0, you will have perfect equality. Right? So Gini coefficient is a concept which is used to measure inequality. So Gini coefficient ranges. So Gini coefficient value, it varies between 0 to 1. Every country, if you find the Gini coefficient, the value is between 0 to 1. If a country is having value closer to 0, then that means that country is having perfect equality. If it is closer to 1, then you will find a highest form of inequality. This is what we have to understand, very simple concept only, right? Maybe if you are not able to immediately grasp this, you can watch the video once again. Definitely in UPSC prelims or mains, they are not going to ask you to draw this illustration and all. Just for the sake of understanding, I have given this illustration, because I see many people, they simply memorize when Gini coefficient is 0 what, when Gini coefficient is 1 what, then they get confused whether 0 is equality or 1 is equality. They get confused in the exam and they make mistake. Every graph, any curve for that matter in economics is the most easiest subject, I would say, in the UPSC preparation, right? Syllabus is very small, very easy to understand as well. When we understand the actual concept, then you will not forget and you will not be confused, and you can confidently choose the options in the exam, right? So this is about Gini coefficient and Lorenz curve, two concepts we have explained, we have discussed. I hope you got some clarity on this. I have given some information as well, briefly I have given some information. However, as I suggested already, you just follow my example, my explanation, that will be more than sufficient. Even if you read any book, their explanation will not be in a position to easily comprehend. Okay, I have given a question based on our discussion, find out the right answer and given the comment section, right? So here I have given the features of my revised current affairs program. As the preliminary exam got postponed, I thought of extending the current affairs program to cover the additional current affairs. So here I have given the features. There will be live classes followed by live doubt clearing session. Students can access the recorded videos if you are not able to attend the live session, and you can watch n number of times according to your convenience. Coverage, I have given exclusive classes for survey and budget. 1600 MCQs will be provided in PDF booklet format, right? My personal number will be shared with you. Any doubts you can reach me. So this is about the revised current affairs program. 75 you all know that, right? The same program I am extending. So whatever I have covered so far, those videos you will get. The new live classes you can attend, right. So, here I have given the MCQ compilation between June to November 2020 in PDF format. Is available. If you are interested, you can buy the product by clicking the link given in the description box. Next set of MCQs will be released next week, as I said. So, between it will be covering December, January, February, March, April, plus budget economic survey MCQs. That combination booklet will be available next week. All right, friends. I hope you like the lecture. I will see you tomorrow with another important, interesting, exciting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.